Hey guys, so today in this video I wanted to show you guys a real quick snippets of my workout. This week I actually went ahead and started working out this week. This is my day I'm going into my third week. So now I'm over whatever keto flu symptoms I may have had. I must say this go around, because I've been taking my electrolyte powder and I was already kind of went through the keto flu-y kind of stuff a month or so ago when I initially started at 269 pounds. It was a lot less this time. So today I went to the gym. I actually started yesterday on Sunday, but I didn't have any footage. My phone, the battery was not where it should have been. But today I went ahead and took footage for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I do about between 2 and 3 times a week. I do 30 minutes of cardio and some strength training. Today I had to cut it short a little bit because I had to get my kids. My time was not there, but typically what I do is 30 minutes of cardio, which I typically either do high intensity interval training, which is either walk run combo where I'm jogging for 1 minute and then walking for 1 minute. The further I got along in my fitness, I would increase that intensity on the treadmill in both speed and incline. So sometimes I'd be doing a 1 minute sprint uphill and it's going as fast as I can. That was, mind you, that was when I was more fit, under 200 pounds and feeling great. I will say this though, about today's workout and yesterday's workout. Yesterday was my day 1 at the gym at 200 and close to 250 pounds. Let's just round up, close to 250, okay? And for me to be able to perform as well as I did yesterday in the gym, I cannot credit that to anything other than the ketones, guys. It cannot have been anything. I did 30 solid minutes on the elliptical machine. Felt great the entire time. Obviously it was a workout, but I still was not feeling like I am going to die if I don't quit. Now I remember when I first did the elliptical back in 2006 when I was in my early 20s. I remember that because I couldn't go any more than 5 minutes and I was probably about 170 pounds then. So for right now, for me to do this, to me, it's just incredible. It shows the power of the ketones. My body was on autopilot. My lung capacity felt great. I didn't feel like I was running out of breath too much. I felt my knees felt great. I felt energized. And when I came home, now mind you, I worked out in a fasted state now. I had not eaten anything since the night before. But when I went on ahead and ate when I got finished working out yesterday, it was as if it was smooth sailing all day. I was not hungry. I had energy. I felt amazing. So you guys know, after you typically go to the gym and put in a really full workout, you're hungry. So this just goes to show, when you have this much adipose tissue or fat on your body, you can do so much better when you just don't eat, because you've got plenty of nutrient stores on your body and fat stores, potential energy, stored energy. That's all this stuff is stored energy, guys. And I'm using it now. And that's the only way I was able to push through my day yesterday. So let me go ahead and hush now. And I'm going to show you guys real quick what I did in the gym today. This is just a snippet of what I did, and we'll come back in just a bit. All right, so there you guys have it. That's what I did in the gym today. I feel that this is something that's totally sustainable for me throughout the duration of my life, to be honest. Because at the end of the day, yes, weight loss is the main goal, but there are so many more benefits to working out. And weight loss is just one tiny benefit amongst a whole host of things that our body can benefit from cardiovascular and strength training. Now, let me say this before I wrap this video up, guys. Start where you are. If you are 300 pounds, 400 pounds, even just 150 pounds and just want to lose another 15, 20 pounds, start where you are and let that be your baseline. Do not go into the gym that first day and kill yourself. Start where you are, even if that's just a walk, even if you just walk for 30 minutes, or if you can jog for 1 minute out of that 30 minutes, that's fine. And then the next time, aim to build on that. If you only jogged for 1 minute, say this time, I'm going to jog for 2 minutes during this 30-day period. And you may have to carry that 2 minutes out for the duration of the week, okay? Then the following week, increase to 3 minutes of jogging, okay? And then just go from there. Build as you go and listen to your body. And every now and then, you got to listen to that little voice that says, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Just push, push, push. You got this. You got this. You got to listen to that little voice or create that voice in your head that's going to be your own personal cheerleader for when it gets really rough and you feel like giving up. We cannot give up, y'all. We cannot give up. Okay. Also, let me say this real quick too, because I get a lot of questions about this. Wait, I personally recommend, I believe Dr. Berg recommended this too. Wait until you are about a good 2 weeks into your keto diet before you start working out, because if you realize when you start and your body is losing all that extra water, you are putting yourself in a deficit. If you are not replacing your electrolytes, you're putting yourself in a for sure deficit. We have so much going on with our kidneys losing all that extra water. You must replace your electrolytes and start off light with your workouts. Our bodies behave differently this first month or so of the keto diet before you'll be able to really feel like, I guess, you can do power lift and all that stuff later on with your keto diet. So with that said, guys, I hope you were able to get something from this video today. Go ahead and start your workouts. Leave me a comment below and let me know what's your go-to workout. So far, I've been relying on the elliptical machine. I do love to do a jog walk combo, but right now the elliptical is just going so good. So I'm going to stick with that for right now. But let me know in the comments below what you guys do. And if you've already started working out, how long do you do your cardio? And do you also do strength? I know a lot of times, ladies, we tend to shy away from strength, but if you guys see the guns I had when I lost kilo that first time, that was strictly from strength and doing push-ups at home. So on that note, guys, go ahead and leave me a like before you leave. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and want to follow my journey. And also, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so next time I upload my new video, you guys will be the first ones to know. Don't forget, weigh-in Wednesday is coming up next. Let's see how I did this week and how you guys did, most importantly. All right, y'all, take care, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.